So hey there, thanks for checking out my videos. I do greatly appreciate it. So I'm doing these little shorts and kind of work that I'm kind of doing out in the driveway, little updates. So we are working on pulling a set of shocks out of the back, and we're using this wonderful new tool that I got off of Amazon to pull this nightmare bolt out. It was mind-boggling. I tried everything. This tool did a great job. So I'm going to tell you right off the bat, if you're out there buying it, it's good value. Check out my video on my review of the unboxing for the full details of exactly what it is. Only drawback to it that I noticed is that the plastic casing mars up a little bit. So if you're going to bang it against the ground, it's going to leave a mark. If you're going to bang it against the car, it's going to leave a little mark. So it's a very soft, pliable plastic, but the rubber stoppers are good. So just so you're aware of that. Battery case, as I pointed out in the review we did earlier on unboxing, plastic actually isn't as soft as I thought. It actually seems to take a pretty good little whack every now and again. So again, you've got a troublesome bolt, and you're looking to get yourself a little impact gun, this is going to work for you really well. Again, not a professional grade tool, but pretty decent for the backyard mechanic. Okay, have a pleasant and enjoyable day.